super easy flowers that you can grow in your vegetable garden. I know you might be thinking, oh no, I only focus on vegetables, not flowers, and I only focus on the edibles, so you don't have them in your garden. But I think you should, because it's really important to bring in the pollinators and yeah, bring in all the bees and also the little insects that will actually eat the bad bugs. So here we go. These are 5 easy plants that most beginners can actually grow. I'm a beginner myself and I'm learning a lot, so I'm really excited to share with you what I've learned. Alright, so the first one, number 1, is marigolds. If you haven't grown them, I highly recommend you grow them. Grow them with your tomatoes and it will do really well. I like to mix my marigolds in all my garden beds over summer, spring and summer. I've grown a lot of my marigolds from seeds and they're actually really easy. So I highly recommend marigolds. They have a strong smell and they also look really pretty in the garden. Mix it with other flowers and it's gorgeous. So 2 is calendula. If you haven't heard of calendula, it's a great one to grow in your garden. You honestly only need one plant in spring or summer. Let it go to flower, let it go to seed, and then get the dried seed and just throw it in your garden. It will self-seed so well and it's gorgeous. I've got so many going in my garden. It's winter here and it's still thriving. It's a self-seeding, it's doing its thing. Alright, so number 3 is lavender. Lavender is really easy to grow. Again, it has a strong smell like the other 2 flowers I've mentioned. I don't know if you're getting a theme here. You want to plant flowers that have strong smells. This will deter a lot of pests. It also just, I actually like the smell of lavender and of marigolds. Marigolds give me the vibes of my childhood. Yeah, so yeah, lavender is a must grow. There's different variety for your climate, so do your research. You can even plant a couple and see which one takes off. And also I recommend planting your flowers in different areas, because sometimes it says it needs full sun, but then like say we're here in Australia, I'm in zone 10A and the full sun is actually really strong, so I put my flowers, I kind of scatter my flowers, so one of them, I'm sure one of them will take off. And I'm quite a lazy gardener. I don't also like to waste a lot of water, so that's the reason why I put my flowers and my plant everywhere. I kind of scatter them, and so one of them will bound to work. And then number 4 is cosmos. Cosmos is another beautiful flower that blooms all summer for me. It is quite, I found it quite a hardy plant, hardy flower, and it just gives a ray of sunshine to any garden. I've grown that one from seed and it's very good at self-seeding, so just let a few plants go to seed, and it's just, you can sprinkle the flowers or drop and then it will do its thing. If you don't like it in that spot, honestly you can just pick it out easily. And then number 5, last but not least, is borage. borage is a great plant to grow. I've planted my borage again from seed, and I think I end up having 2 plants. I let the 2 plants go through the full cycle. It dried out and then the seeds just scatter everywhere. It's a really hardy plant which has a show of beautiful bluish flowers that the bees love. I always find my borage full of bees and it's so awesome just watching them work. Just be careful because it is a bit like very spiky, so some people don't like that, but yeah, I absolutely love borage. And yeah, you can eat the little petals as well.